This is the summary created from the video. Lecture 5: Steering and Sustaining a Conversation. Conversation encompasses far more than just speaking and listening. It involves nuanced non-verbal cues, ambience, and cultural context that shape meaningful interactions. Silence plays a vital role in conversations, helping create space for understanding and adding emphasis when used strategically, with different cultures utilizing silence in distinct ways. Effective communication demands considering nonverbal aspects like body language, facial expressions and tone, which impact intimacy, distancing, and the overall context of the interaction. In social interactions, humans unconsciously adapt their language, body language, and formality based on the situation, playing different roles and adjusting their communication styles accordingly. While telephone conversations lack the richness of non-verbal cues present in face-to-face interactions, they still require care and sensitivity to avoid misunderstandings or offending others. Ultimately, successful human communication relies on contextual awareness, cultural sensitivity, patience, and actively considering the perspectives of others through attentive listening and non-verbal awareness. Please stay tuned for more summary videos.